Good morning, happy campers. So we made it to the location last night where our brothers and sisters were supposedly, but we couldn't find them. I do not see them. This is it. This is the location. However, this place is a beautiful place. We went up and found some caves. It wasn't so straight. The inside of the cave, it was kind of like slanted down. So we decided to use this little cave as our camping spot for the night. It's not so dry. There's like water dropping from the rocks. So we're gonna change the place today. But yeah.
But better than nothing.
Better than nothing, that's for sure. Had some good sleep.
Just one dry place in this area, what we found.
Yeah. Let me show the river to you guys. Last night we kept walking and walking and it became dark and I couldn't record it anymore because it was so dark, but it was like we went through some really beautiful places, some really like treacherous roads, and I kept going that way and the road kind of ends. There's like a little whoop, something going down, and so I didn't keep going in that direction. Maybe they are there, I don't know. If you see them anywhere, please let me know in the comments down below. And that's the river. I imagine this place is amazing in the summertime. We're in the canyon. And the funny thing is, the road is like literally right up there. You could see the street light at night. And the map was telling us to go to that road and then come down here to get to the location. So we're glad we didn't take that upper road. And yeah. I got a little injury on my foot. It's annoying and painful. But yeah, when you go like straight up through there, you get to these caves that you see over there. They're interesting in themselves. Let's keep going and see what's around. Yeah, as you can see, the caves, they're not like so straight. They're naturally formed, I guess. The rocks are like melting. And there's some plants growing from the top downwards, which is pretty interesting. And yeah, maybe if we, Grim was saying if we go to the third layer or fourth layer, we can find some place, but maybe not. But even if we do, we'd have to carry all the backpacks and tents up there, and then carry like wood up there to make the fire, and wouldn't make so much sense. Yeah, a little fireplace here. Someone was making a fire here. And yeah, not much else. Not much else. Let's go up into that cave. How do I get up there? That's a good question. Kola was telling me how in this place there's lots of caves up, but it was dangerous for the children, so they didn't go up. As you can see why. It's like you're just climbing straight up. Ow, 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 spikes. Whoa. Okay. Alright, I'm a little more up now. Came up through there. Let's keep going. Show you guys some caves. Interesting. It's our humble camp over there. This is the cave. We actually found some like chain with fish on it yesterday. left by some hippies, and a little drawing left by hippies on the other side of the cave. Oh yeah, look at this. The caves of Limonlo Valley. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, slippery, gotta be careful. Interesting rock formation here. Cool. Yeah, but we don't seem to have a place to set up the tent, and there's also like water dripping from above. So, not a good place, I guess. Continue. We're probably gonna end up going all the way back where there was some dry place, like fully dry, covered by a huge rock. And oh, no way to continue from here. I can go up, I guess, but my foot hurts and don't really want to. I'm holding the camera. Okay, that was the tour. Happy campers tour of the Limonlo Valley caves. Hope you enjoyed. And now, just packing up our stuff. This is all my stuff, our heavy stuff, our wet stuff. It's heavy by itself, and it's even heavier with the water.
Double heavy.
Double heavy. Thank you, Little Cave, for hosting us. And yeah.
Cacao?
Cacao? Yeah, okay, cacao. Why not? Some sip.
Some sip.
Open the lock.
Cacao in this wet morning.
That's good. And I keep seeing some white, like, is that cloud or is it smoke? I can't tell. If it's smoke, that means they're there, but that's too much smoke for a fire, is it? I don't know. And yeah, bye bye, beautiful place.
Paragliding.
Срижа какие русский?
А?
Шизенке по русский?
Сам русский. Мокро и холодно. Не холодно, только мокро. Продолжаем наслаждаться нашей жизнью.
Барги, чем-то покорето. Hey, we found them finally. Turns out they were like 300 meters that way, but we couldn't hear them because of the river. But they're leaving now. Oh yeah, ceremony. Porcupines living up there.
Yeah, you can find all everywhere the beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful needles.
Let's go to the fireplace, continue this sacred fire. So there is some place up ahead, we don't have to go back. We're gonna check it out, and if it's good, we're gonna stay there. Sacred fire. One love, Engin. That's Engin. And this is the place. Kiwi. Yeah, I think we can stay here maybe. Bringing the bags will be hard. So should we stay or should we go back? Let me know in the comments down below.
It's like practice.
Bye guys, they're going that way and we're going that way to the cave. There they go, take care. And here we go to our new place. Darbuka.
Yeah, I dream.
So apparently all I had to do to pass this ridge was walk over the pipe. That's how they did it. And now I have to be very careful not to fall with all these weights on my back. Continue. I have fear of heights, but I can do this. Stay calm and go straight. Okay, I made it. All while holding the camera too. Yay! Let's go to our new home. Morning, happy campers. It's nice and sunny today. And I was just down at the river, had some morning shower. Very enjoyable, cold, but now I'm drying off in the sun. And this is the campsite. Drying all the wet stuff. That was my bed. My Sprin's bed and our fireplace. Morning cacao. Selesинские русский. Нет? Да? Да, говорит, какой пивота. You need shout for microphone.
Он говорит, ничего не приходит в голову, кричать тоже не хочется.
Amen. Good morning, happy campers. Another day at the cave. We had some passerbys over there along that walking way and they were waving at us. I felt like we were hippies in a zoo. Anyhow, today we're doing some repairing. You see this got ripped off where I keep my mats, also this part, and I found out I can just sew it on. It's amazing. I did not know that. My previous bag had the same problem and I was looking for a place to fix it, and all along I could have done it myself. It's simple. Thank you, Grim, for teaching me that. And some more fires, my bed, and yeah, nice day.
Interview on our guest.
Our bird.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a bird who always comes here and it's not afraid of us. It comes near, but it's not here right now. Yeah, when the bird comes, I'll show you guys. Bye, happy campers. We found a huge log and carried it. It was so hard to carry, but we did. And now we're enjoying our night with this huge fire. The beautiful sound of the river.
Can't see anything now, but yeah. Let's see, tomorrow if I have the mood, I'm gonna go up above this cave. And he said he went there today and he said it has a beautiful view. Let's see how it is. Enjoy your life, happy campers.